What's the most exciting part about shooting a podcast for you?
Well, exciting. The most exciting part is the research and then writing the script. When you are researching and writing the script, a lot of time what happens is you have written the whole script of the episode, and then you go through it again, and then you have to discard the whole episode again, and you have to rewrite it again. The flow while you're writing for the first time comes out nice, but when you read it, you realize that it's not going with the usual flow of the podcast.
The best part about shooting the podcast is when your guest opens up and you catch on to a vulnerable side of them. I think in that very moment you discover something super new.
What I think is that when you are shooting a podcast, you are going to get to know the person face to face, and you are going to know them very well, because it is something like of a structured podcast and a non-structured podcast.
What I've realized is I've known people for 5, 6, 7, 8 years, but once they sit in front of you and then you start asking questions, there are things that come out which you never knew about them. So you see a side of that person which you don't know. And plus that person gets to open up.
The fights.
Yeah, when a couple shoots a podcast, what goes on camera is actually just 10% of what exactly goes through the day.
The beauty of the podcast when it is being shot, there are so many things which happen behind the scenes.
बस बंद करो कैमरा पर सब बताता हूँ मैं फिर.
I'm glad that we survived 4 seasons of our podcast and we did not break up.
जो गेस्ट है और जिसके साथ जो टॉपिक है वो सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग होता है. आई थिंक जो टॉपिक हम बात कर रहे हैं जिसके ऊपर वो कितना इम्पैक्ट डालता है ऑडियंस पे.
So a lot of things happen in the pre-production phase when you conceptualize and do everything, and then everything is condensed down and chopped to the post-production, and that is what everyone sees.